String operations. String operations. Strings are kind of text, and they can be defined as anything between the quotes. Let's see how. So, first go to brackets. So, to type a string in Python, first you have to create any variable such as a string equal string signs hello Python. Hello Python here is string, and the variable is also string. After that, we will print our string to see if it works well. Print parentheses, between the parentheses put the string, as you see in the screen. After that, save the file and try on terminal to see how it goes. Type Python 3, drag and drop the file, and press enter. Pretty nice, as you see here, hello Python printed well in the terminal. So now, let's try to add another string. We will create a variable called string2 and assign it using equal sign string signs. I love to learn new things in Udemy. After that, we will print these two strings together. We will type print parentheses string plus string2. Then save the file and try on terminal again. As you can see here, it's printed well, but we have a little problem, which is the space between Python and I. So to fix that, you have to put the space after Python or before I love. One of them can be worked. Save the file and try on terminal again. As you see here, it's fixed well right now. Cool. Thanks for watching.